So a long time no talk, but hey, let's show you something real quick. ChatGPT can help you write all of your vector scripts or pretty much anything you need to do in the Avaya PBXs. Think of this as your assistant, not a replacement of a job. So if you need to find out something, it's going to have a vast knowledge of or access to whatever's on the internet to help you build different scripts. So if you're starting out, you can do that. So I asked this to build me a vector for an auto attendant. But you first have to train it, and part of that is you need to tell it, I need you to be an expert on Avaya telephone systems, specifically the call center features of the system, right? You need to set up the expectation. Imagine you have a PhD level person sitting next to you, and you need to set those expectations with them to provide you the information you need. So I tell it, give me a step-by-step way to create a vector that provides the basic level of an auto attendant. And you can go really deep on this. And I've been playing with this for a little while. Prompt engineering is very key to this. So because I'm used to command line and you doing prompts, you can do that. You can tell it, okay, now give me the command line version of this and it will give it to you. And if you need to copy and paste those into your editing environment, you can do that just by telling it, okay, do me a favor, give me the code block for each command. So then you can just copy code and paste it, copy code, paste it. Right, so use ChatGPT to help you build anything you need in the Avaya PBXs, and it will happily do that for you. Obviously, you want to check everything. You want to make sure all of it is accurate, but all the tests I've done so far, it shows that it does a really good job. Does a pretty good job on helping you build the things you need. And sometimes it gets stuck, like right here, it got stuck. The prompt stopped. So I told it to regenerate, and it did. It gave me prompt by prompt by prompt, everything I needed. And again, you can ask it anything that you need based on what's going on. So in other words, once you start a conversation, a chat conversation, it's going to remember everything and it's going to get better and better. So if you regenerate the responses, you may get something better, right? So try it out. And as you can see, you can ask it, hey, what versions does this work on? And it will tell you with some disclaimers, but there you go, ChatGPT and Avaya. Have fun.